If your wallet looks empty, you're a prime candidate for Telegram airdrops. Let's turn that around with just your phone. Imagine turning your phone into a money-making machine. Telegram airdrops are a game changer in the world of online earning. And the best part? You don't need to be tech-savvy to get started. First things first, join a reputable Telegram channel that specializes in airdrops. These channels have a track record of hosting successful projects. Once you're in, follow their instructions and complete simple tasks like sharing posts or tagging friends. Easy, right? But remember, always do your research. Legitimate opportunities are out there, but so are scams. Stick with well-established channels and always understand the project's goals. So, there you have it. With a little effort, your phone can help you start earning today. Got questions or success stories? Drop them in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making money online. See you in the next video.